So guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create Facebook ad with successful payment method. And not just that, if we move on to the next slide, what we have here is first of all, getting this done, we have to create our first Facebook account. But if you have an account, no problem, but just follow through. Then after that, we'll talk about how to create your Facebook page. Creating Facebook page is very important, and setting it up and things you shouldn't do in your Facebook page so that you don't get terminated, you don't lose your Facebook page immediately. You know, Facebook is very strict when it comes to stuff like this. So then we'll move on to the next thing, writing your first ad. You know, people say copywriting is everything. Yes, your writing is everything. What you should write, the best format you should use, creative ad. Should you use video? It depends. So we'll be talking about that and how to get it done easily, either with Canva or either with any design software you can use, video editing software you can use, or graphic editing software you can use. Then we'll move on to this one, adding your payment method. For you to run Facebook ad, you have to learn how to add your payment method. And currently, as of June, the federal government of Nigeria, that's Nigeria government, they scrap out the debit card from paying. So I'm going to tell you the trick on how to bypass this. Then we'll move on to this other one that says okay, after we've done that, then we'll move on to payment method. Then we'll move on to the bonus part that say how to create AI avatar, talking AI avatar with smartphone. That's the bonus in this course. Then how to create a landing page, and then you chat me up and tell me how yours is going. In case you have challenges, you can chat me up any time of the day and we'll work together. But above all, if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you subscribe to this channel in case any update come, you don't miss it. When I talk about talking avatar, this is what I mean. So just watch this.
There was a wise philosopher named Socrates. Socrates believed that the most...
So that is just it. So I just showed you what we'll be learning as part of it. So let's start from the beginning of this course, which says how to create your Facebook account. So you should have either on Chrome, depending on what you're using for now. Just move on to your Facebook. So I already have a Facebook account I've created, but if you've not created a Facebook account, just type facebook.com and it's going to take you to your site. It's going to take you to Facebook page. Then you move on to entering your account. It's going to redirect you, but because I've logged in case your Facebook account is having issue, because when your ad account is blocked, you can't use this. It's more or less having not having a Facebook account, because if your ad account is blocked, definitely you can't do anything. But right now I have to create a new fresh account. But if you want to you want to create your first Facebook account, just log out and tap on new account, create new account. Anywhere, whether on smartphone, the same process applies. Then type in your first name. Let's say my first name here, I'm going to say Austin. Then surname, I'm going to say Alex. Then move on to mobile number or email address. This place is giving us permission to use either email, or better still, we should use a phone number. But I advise you use your phone number depending. So I'll just use one of my phone number here and see this, because Facebook is saying they're improving when it comes to this. So now we're going to re-enter that. I'll just copy that by just hitting on Ctrl+C and V. I'll repaste them. I'll put in the password I want in my system. So you can put anything you want. And when you go to, then you pick your date of birth, and you move on to at least be 18 years if you think it applies. So I'll choose a 1990 from here, or 2005, or 10. So let me use 2005. Then you pick from this. If you're male, if you're female, if you're other type, you pick what you want. Then you move on to sign up. So let me just pick that of male. Then I'll sign up immediately, and we have an account added up to our Gmail and stuff. So let's see what the sign up process takes, and we have the first account created. So please check your G's for this. So what I'll do now is go straight to my phone and check my mail and see if I've been given a code. Then after that, I input the code. So let me check my phone. So now I've just gotten the code. So that's why I advise you use your Gmail. Before, it's just phone number you can use, but now things has changed and we can use our Gmail. So from now I'm going to hit on continue. Then I'll tap on continue. Then when I tap on continue, it should load and give me my first Facebook account. And I told you why we are creating a Facebook account is so that we can create an ad. When I mean an ad, we can have a Facebook ad account. So but if your own is not terminated, you've not run ad before, there is no need creating new one. So now we've created this. Okay, it's already linked up to my first Facebook. I've used this one, so they just took me back to the Facebook. This is my face there. Anyway, so now next thing I want to do now is since I've used that Gmail, so I advise you use a fresh Gmail account. Create a first Gmail account. Just click on gmail.com and search for create account and just have an account. But so now we've created an account. The next thing on the screen says okay, so now let's come to the second one that says creating Facebook page. So I'll be creating a Facebook page now. I will not be using this one. Okay, let me come here. I will not be using this one because it has already I have issues with payment method when I was running my ad and it was terminated immediately, some stuff like that. So now I'm going to log out from here and just log into the other account I have. So I'm going to see all this profile. So you can click on this from here if you're on your PC and you move down. All right, there's nothing here. Let me try see. Okay, switching. No, I shouldn't switch. I'm going to click on this again. Then I'll see all my other accounts. Then we'll move on to, or better still, I'll log out. Just log out then, and I'll log into the other one that gives me permission to create Facebook page. So now I'm going to pick on this one because I'll be using it to create my Facebook page. So I'm going to click on that. When I click on that, it's going to open. Then we have this. So now when you're on your screen, you're in a smartphone, anyone you're using, just locate the page in your phone. So let me just use on the small tab and see. So we have this like this. For those that will be on smartphone, it should be smaller like this. So better still, just click on the more and you see pages. So I'll click on pages and we have that ready. Now we have create new page. I've already created a page before called Learning Hub. Yes, so I already have a page called Learning Hub and some stuff has been added to that. So now what I'll do is I'm going to first of all pick this stuff, create a page. So I'm going to tap on create new page now. When I create a new page, the next thing I'll do now is put any name I like. So I can say digital skill. So but see, or digital academy, depending if it's available. So I'm going to pick on academy, and I'll see what's there. So category is okay, it's available. Then on the category is into digital skill creator. So now we have digital creator. I'm going to pick that, or you can pick on marketing if you're into marketing and just see some stuff. So you can scroll down, say internet marketing service, which I think is better. Then if you have a bio, you want to put some stuff, you can come in here and just say hey, I am fine, or this. So you can find a way to craft a better bio, like and say we train, or anything you want to write it, just write some bold stuff. Or you can go into ChatGPT, which is chat.openai.com. You can say give me a motto or a beautiful description for a page, a Facebook page that talks. Okay, let me just put talks about digital skill. So I'm going to put that or digital skill. Yes. So now let me just hit on enter and see if it gives me some. Okay, welcome to our Facebook, a virtual oasis and some stuff, and disengage with diverse and supportive community and like-minded. So if you don't like this, you can just leave it, or better still, you can copy this and just rebrand it. So for you to copy it, right click on this stuff like this, copy, and you move on to the next stuff that say yeah, we're in this place before. So I'm going to just paste this here without even going through it. Now you see, welcome to our data heaven, a virtual oasis where ancestry of data is alive. So we can just use that one. So optional, now we go to create page, then click on create page. Just wait for that to load. You have created too many page. Yes, I've created too many page. So but I'll just go one because I know the page has been created. Or if it fails on your computer, what I advise is go to your smartphone, click on page, is going to give you permission. Trust me, this works. So the trick I use when I try to use my computer and it was giving me problem, I just switch to my phone and log in and create the page for my phone, and it went so smooth and so now we have that. Now I'm going to just tap on create page again, see if it had permit. If it doesn't permit, you have created too many page. Try again. So I'm going to X out from here, then I'm going to leave the page because I have, so this is my page that I've created before. We'll be using this one as a case study. So now we have this place, we have the learning hub that I created before. I'm going to click on it now. Then we have this one over here. You can customize your page and add some stuff if you think adding some stuff makes sense. But if you don't want to add anything to it, you can leave it that way. So you can add your first post here by adding your first post. So you can, now I said switch into learning hub page to start managing it. So now I'm going to switch if I feel like. If I don't feel like it's I leave it that way. But note, it's applicable to both smartphone and stuff like this. So now from here we can decide to change some stuff. We can decide to change the cover from here, add cover photo, or we can decide to add any image here. So I'm going to pick my image from here. I'm going to upload photo from here. I'll check if I have anything I've done before. Let me just check on the download and see if I have a picture that aligns with what I'm doing. So let me say I'm talking on Canva. I want to talk on a Canva course. I'm going to click on Canva course and just put it there. Or better still, it's better your picture is there if you want. But if you don't have a good picture, you can as well leave it that way. But let me see if I can't get any picture from here. If I can't get any picture, I'll just use any of those stores from there. And we move on to this training, to the training process. So let me pick this Canva here and just hit OK. And that should be my cover. Sorry, my profile photo. So now I say we'll be using this, and I think this is better, this position. So if you want to write in description, you can come here and write description. Just write my profile picture, and it's good. So it's your choice. So I'll put my profile picture, then I'll click on save and or make temporary if you want, or leave it that way, just uncheck it and you're good to go. So you see your picture, profile picture is public. It means anybody that comes to that page definitely will see that profile picture. So anybody who comes here will just click on this and see what's there. So if you want to put a cover page, you can add your cover page. To make cover page is simple, as I've said. So to make cover page, always go to your canva.com and find a proper size for that. So let me say canva.com. It's going to take me to canva.com and some blah 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 stuff, and I'm logged in. One thing about Canva is Canva has the pro and has the free version. If you want to be part of my team so that you can have access to the pro version, please, I advise you subscribe to this channel. Chat me up then. Subscribe, then you join the Telegram group. Then from there you chat me up. Definitely you are part of me. If you don't subscribe, please don't bother to join. You'll not join my Canva team. I think that's even better. So now I'm going to come here and type Facebook cover. So I'm going to just put a Facebook cover from here, and it's going to show me a Facebook cover template I can use for my page. So we have some beautiful ones. So we can use this one, or you can better still move on, or because these search are very important. So I'm going to say Facebook page cover. Let me see if it's going to come. So we have Facebook covers. Okay, let me use this Facebook page cover and see if anything come out that is that resonates with what we are doing. If it doesn't come, we'll leave it that way. Later on you can just add any cover to that. So now that's one joy about this. But anyway, let's just Facebook let's get this page out of it. So we're going to write Facebook cover from here, and when the cover comes up, we're good to go. So I'm going to pick this one so that can have similar stuff like that. So we have some similar stuff that we can use. Can move on from here. Okay, I can just pick this one as well, and I'll just customize it. So okay, let me just write this one. Let me use this instead. Then I'm going to customize this template because I have access to the pro. I'm already part of it, so I can use any of these. But you can find a free one and you just play around with it. So from here now I can just change this background to anything Facebook. So I'm going to say digital skill. Come here, I'm going to say digital skill. So let me write digital here. So I'm going to expand this from here. I'm not teaching you Canva. If you want to learn Canva, check my playlist. There's proper use on how to use Canva from A to Z in this channel. You learn everything about it. So I'm going to write digital skill academy. So I'm going to put academy, then I'm going to drag this from here to this end. So that we have digital skill academy. Now you can put other stuff. If your time and date, you can put your website. But if you don't have a website, you can put your WhatsApp number and say +234 912 767 9022, and that becomes your WhatsApp. You can put the icon close to it. While the background, we can come here to the background and search for element here. Then over here I'm going to search for digital. So let me see if any digital stuff comes. So I think this is better. I'll come straight to the photo tab, and I'll pick any of these. I know you already seen one, and all this sign here means they are pro, so be careful enough when doing that. So I'll find one that's a bit darker, something like this. It seems to resonate, something like this. So I'm going to right click on this, then I'll replace background, and we have that. So we have Digital Skill Academy. When I'm going to share this, I'm going to download it immediately to my any of these. Can go, you can pick any of this one, but I won't be doing that, so I'll just share. Sorry, I'm going to download it again. Yes, I'm going to download this like this, and in no time soon we have that downloaded. So it's allow this to finish to complete loading, and we have it downloaded in just few seconds. So now we're back to the Facebook. Now we're going to upload this cover from here. So simple, just upload cover now, then move straight to your download. We already have a download here. Then it's going to appear all in this place, fit to it. So wait for this loading to complete, and you're good to go. So you can change it any day, anytime you feel like. So that's one thing, and ensure it's like this. So okay, so we have this like this. Oh, we didn't get a resize. We didn't get a resize, and that's bad. That's bad. But anyway, we can find the best way and just resize. For you to get the best size, all you have to do is come here and say Facebook cover page size, Facebook cover size. So now it's going to give you cover size set 820 times 312. If I want to do that, all I'll do now is come here to this place that I've done. This place I have this design. I'm going to resize from here. Then when I resize, I'm going to retype this and put those stuff there. So let's say we resize. We have something like this is the safe zone, which said this is the safe zone. It means anything between this place appears, anything outside it cut. So we have 820 times 312. That's Facebook cover. 820 times 312. So I'm going to come to this place and write 820 820 I put 312. Then I'm going to resize. If you don't, I'm going to resize. Then we're good to go. So this is what we have now. Everything has been resized. I'm going to share now and download it immediately in no time. That's one aspect. Good thing about the Canva. If you're using the Canva Pro, you can do many things as well. So now if you want to make some changes, you can make all your changes. Sorry, I'm taking too much time, but I think you should know this, because no knowledge is a waste at all. So now you can have the detail skill like that. You can have this, and you have some stuff. You can drag it to the right. If you think dragging it to the right makes sense, you can put it there. Then you get some stuff you don't want, and you have that. So now let me just, we just using this for a sample, not that it must be it's must that it should be this design. So I'm just showing some sample. Now I know the size. I'm going to download. Then I'll go back to my Facebook. I'm going to change that. So I'm going to let me just save cancel instead. Then I'm going to add a cover photo again. Then I'm going to upload. So now to upload, I'm going to click on this one. Now I'm going to open it. Then it's going to load again, and I should get the perfect size right now. That is why it's advisable you get your stuff. So now you see, now we have everything all placed. Now I'm going to save changes, and we have the first one. You can use your picture. If you use your picture, just place it. There's no need designing. If you think using your picture here is good. So we have that all placed and ready. So now what's the next thing? We want to write a welcome post. If you feel like writing, if you don't link your account, don't link it for now, just leave it that way. Later you can link it during your hard. If you're writing your hard, which we'll do today, you are going to link it at that time. So now let's write a welcome post. If you think writing a welcome post, you write your welcome post. If you think not writing a welcome post, you can just abandon it and move on. So you can add action button so that anyone that click on the page can chat you. There are different ways to add action button, but I'm not adding any action button. The reason is because I don't want them to chat me on WhatsApp from this page. I want them during my hard, they should chat me. But if you think adding, you can just pick one of this action, send WhatsApp message. You can click on this, then you move on to okay. So when you've done that, okay, double click, we have that. Let me hit on enter. Okay, I'm not getting anything reasonable. Let me calm down. All right, so then I'm going to click on next. Then it's going to tell me to connect my phone number. So if I want to connect, it's so simple. All I have to do is to just put my phone number there and we connect it. But I won't be doing that, so just do that for yourself. Or another action button you can create, you can add to it. It will click on sign up. Yes, so people can sign up or go to your website. You only go to your website when you have a landing page. And bonus course, there is a link to creating a landing page which you can watch anytime and just create one for yourself. It's totally free, totally free. So now we've talked about Facebook, we've talked about this. Now we've created our Facebook page and you've created yours. If you're having difficulty, chat me up and I'll put you through.